lesson 2. So today we'll talk about the devices that tell time. Just like every other thing, we've had earliest invention and different things that helps us to tell time. So let's start with the sundial. This one uses the sun, maybe the shape of the sun or something, to predict somehow and tell people what point in time they were. That's in the olden days. And also we could use hourglass, right? So this one works by the content on top will be dropping down small, little by little, and then by some form of interpretation they could tell, oh, maybe an hour has passed, maybe by the time this thing is finished it's a whole day already. So also somewhat to predict time. And then the pendulum clocks, right? I really liked as a kid, right? So there's this clock that we used to have, always in like a wooden box. Look at it here. So, it ticks, and every hour you hear it sound, boom, boom. If it's 5 o'clock, it will do 5 times 1, 2, maybe 5. If it's 6 o'clock, and then so by anywhere you are, and it's usually loud, you hear any part of the house, it's 6 a.m. And the funniest part of it is, usually, then in our time, right? I know you don't know what I'm talking about, but I just wanted to tell you, right? There's this bell. Look at it. Every mom or dad has this bell. So usually in the morning, after the work clock goes 5 a.m. in the morning, this bell follows. Time for prayers. And everybody will just struggle and wake up in the morning. Don't worry, I know you don't know what we're talking about. So let's go back to the fancy ones we have now. So we have wristwatches, right? Beautiful. The designs, the leather, anything, we have different designs, right? But the main thing is that this thing carries the face of a clock, or sometimes maybe a digital clock, right? That just reads the minutes, the hour, and the minutes. And so we also have stopwatches. This one keeps ticking, right, per time to tell us what particular time. So the advantages of these modern devices is that they are more accurate, they are easy to carry about, and as many people can have it. In those days, not everybody can even afford a wall clock, and that's why they have something like this on towers, right, everywhere around, maybe in popular places like churches, malls, university, very high, so that people can look at it from any angle that they are and see the time. But thankfully, everybody can even wear a wristwatch. And these days, people are not even using that because mobile phones do now have time telling mechanisms, right? So no matter the device, there are different devices that measure time. And these devices may use different mechanisms. They may use different ways of telling time. But they always tell the same time. They should tell the same time. So if you have a wristwatch and your other friend has a wristwatch, another thing, and the time is not the same, somebody's device is having a problem. Because all over the world, they should measure the same time, even though they use different mechanisms. So maybe you have to reset, change your batteries, or something. Remember, time waits for no man. Don't stop or postpone what you're supposed to do now till later. Time won't wait for you.